Hey, it's Duffy Jones from dvmSuccess, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use our AI tools, and in particular the AI medical record generator. So let's jump into it. So what you want to do is you want to jump over to our website, www.dvm.com, which is right here, and then go to My AI Apps. And today we're going to look at just the AI medical chart generator. So when I click that button, that brings me into the app, and the first thing that you see is just kind of your patient information. So this is to help link this particular record with the record in your PIMS. When we have full integration, this will then automatically sync with that record. So what you want to do is go ahead and put your client and patient information in here now, which I'll do, and then we can move on to the next part. So as you can see, I went ahead and entered my dog's information in here. And then what I would do is come down here. I would walk into the exam room. I would put the cursor here. And then I would hit Windows H. And what that's going to do is that's going to bring up my microphone. And you can see that's starting to record this right now. So I'm going to pause that, and you can see you can start and pause that recording at any time. And I'm just going to paste in here a recording that I had done with a patient not too long ago, so you have an idea of exactly what this looks like. So this was an examination of Millie Jones, which was my dog, and I went ahead and recorded the history between the client and myself, and also my physical exam. So it picked up all of that information. From there, I'm going to go ahead and click differentials, and what that's going to do is that's going to then start to look through the history, and it's going to pick out some differential diagnoses for me as suggestions, and it will tell me why it picked those out. See, as you can see, it picked out it had some trauma related injuries, and that was because Millie was in an accident not too long ago and had some right shoulder issues. It had a cyst that I talked about during that on the tailhead that we've been watching, and it had some behavioral issues as well too. So from there, I'm going to go up here to select appropriate differentials, and it's going to give me a drop down list of the ones that we just saw. I can go ahead and pick and choose which ones I want to add. I'm going to go ahead and add all of them there, and then I'm going to go ahead and click medical chart, and what that's going to do is that's going to generate that medical chart for me. So it's going to go through both the history, it's going to go through what I have chosen, it's going to start to then put everything together so that by the end of this, we'll have a full medical chart that I can then email out to the client. So as you can see, it brought up the medical chart here. It's got all the information. So it's got Millie's name, it's got everything, client number, everything that I entered. It's got the patient history summarized here. And that's a summarization of the conversation that I had with the client in the room that it was recording. It's got my differentials, it's got my diagnosis, and then it's got my treatment plan. So in the treatment plan, this is all customizable. So you can add, you can take, you can change whatever you want. You can re-engage the microphone here and re-record anything saying, hey, I gave a rabies shot, or I didn't, or we cleaned the ears, all the things that we forgot as we walked out of the room. And then once it's complete, what you want to do is you go ahead and email it either directly to the client. You can email it to your front desk, you can copy and paste it. However, it makes sense to get it into your PIMS and works with your flow. So I hope you like this tool. We've really liked it. It's saved us a ton of time writing up records. It's made our records significantly more thorough as well too. Clients really love this because they get a really good summary of the whole exam afterwards. And we really wanted to make really effective tools that will make your practice life better at a reasonable cost. So I hope you like it. We love any feedback, so please just give us that after you've used it. Thanks so much.